Morocco is a country that blends history, culture and breathtaking landscapes. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the endless dunes of the Sahara, this North African gem has something for every traveller. Welcome to our channel, the Tartan Tripper. In this video we'll explore the must-visit attractions, exciting activities, and everything you need to know to plan your ultimate Moroccan getaway. First up, we have Marrakesh, the cultural heartbeat of Morocco. Wander through the winding alleys of the Medina and get lost in the vibrant souks, where you can shop for hand-woven carpets, intricate lanterns and fragrant spices. By night, head to Jema El Fna Square, an explosion of sights, sounds and flavours, where street performers, snake charmers and food stalls create an unforgettable experience. And for a touch of tranquility, step inside the stunning Jardin Majorelle, an oasis of exotic plants and bold blue architecture, once owned by the fashion designer Yves Saint Laurent. No trip to Morocco is complete without a journey into the Sahara Desert. Whether you choose to ride a camel across the dunes of Mezouga, go for an exhilarating 4x4 adventure, or take a hot air balloon up into the skies, the desert is a place of magic. You could also spend the night in a luxury Berber camp, savour a traditional tangine dinner under a sky full of stars, and wake up to a breathtaking sunrise over the sand dunes. Nestled in the Rif Mountains, Chefchaouen is a town like no other. Its striking blue-washed streets make it one of the most picturesque destinations in Morocco. Perfect for wandering and photography, Chefchaouen offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Hike to the Spanish Mosque for panoramic views of the city, or enjoy a mint tea in a charming cafe. Chefchaouen is well worth exploring. Next, step back in time in Morocco's oldest imperial city, Fez. The UNESCO-listed Medina of Fez is a maze of narrow alleys filled with centuries-old buildings, vibrant souks and hidden courtyards. One of the most fascinating spots is the Shuara Tannery, where leather has been dyed and processed using traditional methods for over 1,000 years. Whilst here, don't forget to visit the Al Qarawiyyin University, the oldest existing university in the world. Looking for some beach time? Head to Essaouira, a laid-back coastal town with whitewashed buildings, fresh seafood and strong Atlantic breezes. Perfect for windsurfing and kite surfing. Or if you prefer a more relaxed vibe, Agadir offers golden beaches, luxury resorts and a sunny climate year-round. It's the perfect way to unwind during your Moroccan adventure. Food-wise, Morocco offers an explosion of flavours. Be sure to try dishes cooked using the traditional tangine method. Couscous is found in many dishes along with chicken-based stews. Or try out kefta makwara, small lamb or beef meatballs simmered in a spiced tomato sauce. You must not miss out on hobs, which is a traditional Moroccan fire-baked bread. Or try a bagir, the Moroccan pancake. Both are great ways to start your day with a hearty breakfast. If you enjoy our channel, The Tartan Tripper, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest videos. If religion is of interest to you, take a trip out to Casablanca. It has one of the largest mosques in the world, the Hassan II Mosque, which took over 6 years to build. Also, it is one mosque in Morocco that non-Muslims can take a tour inside. You won't be disappointed. At 210 meters tall, its minaret is the second tallest in the world. So when is best to head to Morocco? The best times to visit Morocco are during spring, March to May, or Autumn, September to November, when the weather is a pleasant temperature for relaxing and exploring. In the height of the summer, the temperatures can hit the high 30s. You have been warned. Make sure to put Morocco on your travel bucket list. A country bursting with culture, history, amazing cities, countless markets, stunning beaches and so much more waiting to be discovered. Click on our next video for more travel destinations and inspirations. Remember, all you bonny lads and lassies, may the wind always be at your back and the sunshine on your faces. Until next time, Bislama.